Make your baby's favorite place to sleep wherever you go. The Foldaway Rocking Bassinet is our easiest sleep solution for parents who like to travel, near or far. This bassinet is a cinch to set up. It pops into place in seconds and folds back up for transport or storage. The Foldaway Rocking Bassinet may be portable, but it also has all the features you expect to keep your baby comfortable during nap time and nighttime. Rocking feet for a soothing sway or a stationary position. Breathable mesh panels which improve airflow and help keep your baby in sight. At Ingenuity, we know that mess happens, no matter where you go. The fabrics on this bassinet are machine washable, so you can keep your baby's sleep environment clean. Parents and babies can rest easy. This bassinet is awesome, and with its contemporary look, it's great for a boy or girl. Make your family motto, have baby, will travel. The Foldaway Rocking Bassinet from Ingenuity.
Get better rest with the Papablic Bedside Sleeper and Standalone Bassinet. This upgraded structure is designed to be more stable for your baby from birth to 5 months old. Keep your baby close as the bassinet easily glides from room to room, and use the brake locks to secure it in place. At night, turn the bassinet into a bedside sleeper. The 5 height adjustment contains safety auto locks and will fit most adult beds. Place the fixing belts between the mattress and base, then buckle them to the sleeper for stability. With 2 pockets for baby essentials, you will have no problem calming a fussy baby. You can remove the fabric to wash or place the sleeper in the included travel bag to sleep soundly on the go. Keep your baby by your side day and night with Papablic.